Hey everyone, this is Ken, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on a fully automatic cobblestone generator. Now what's great about this design, it is super resource friendly and is perfect for survival mode. And the cool thing is you really don't need no repeaters for the whole design. So before I start really getting into the details of it, I'm going to just show you how this works. Now all you have to do is activate that lever and go right inside the center. But before you do that, you're going to notice the chest is empty. I don't want you to think I'm cheating. Go right in the center, and then you're just going to keep hitting all the blocks and just hacking away in a straight line for as long as you want. Now, I want to time lapse this for exactly 1 minute. And we're going to see how much cobblestone we're going to generate just by hacking in a straight line for 1 minute. And the cool thing is, this also has a control lever, which you just saw previously, but there's actually two ways to really design that, but I'll get into that in a bit. So once we're done hacking away, we're going to check inside the chest and see how much we got. And from the looks of it, we got exactly 2.5 stacks of cobblestone in 1 minute. I mean, that's perfect. And the cool thing is, all you have to do is turn off that lever. So before we even get into it, I'm going to show you exactly all the mechanics behind it. As you can see, it's quite simple. It's really not that complicated. And right on top, that's as much redstone as we use for the entire design. So let's get down to the materials we're going to use for this build. They're pretty simple. You will be needing a block of your choice, some stairs, half slabs, regular pistons, one lever, hoppers, one large chest, and a redstone lamp, that's optional, I'll explain later. Some redstone dust, redstone torch, one comparator, and 5 buckets of water and lava. And some torches just to light things up a little bit. So before we get started, make sure you have this exact layout. Okay, so feel free to pause at this point, set your base up or the place you want to place this at, and make sure you have that. Now go straight down to the center, go out 1 block forward, and you're going to delete 2 blocks and place 1 chest in the middle. Then you're going to place 1 hopper on top and then 4 in the back of it going forward. So that should be a total of 5 hoppers, as you can see. Now you're going to place 1 block on the left, and you're also going to place 1 block on the right. Now I'm going to show you 2 ways to really set this control mechanism up. Now you can do it with a redstone lamp, which is not a problem. Place a lamp there, a torch in front of it, a half slab right there with a block on top. Then you're going to place 2 hoppers going towards that direction. Delete the first one and make sure that both hoppers are facing each other. Then delete that, and then you're going to place a redstone dust on top of that half slab, which is fine. You can do it this way, but say you don't have a redstone lamp. Delete that, place a block there, place a half slab in the front, delete the first one, delete that torch. You're going to delete that block, place a block there, and all you have to do is place 1 redstone dust in between both blocks. Because when you activate that lever, it's going to control that block, hence controlling the hopper. I hope that made sense. But for this tutorial, we're going to do it with the redstone lamp. But I wanted you guys to have both options, just in case. I understand getting a redstone dust could be a pain. So once we have that set up, place the lever. The lever will turn on the lamp but turn off the torch, hence letting the mechanism turn on to do its thing. Now once you've done that, we're going to go right in the back of it. You're going to place another half slab on the bottom, a block on top, block on the side, delete the first one, and place a comparator going forward. You're going to jump here, you're going to place a torch on top of that, a block on top of that. Then you're going to try to jump and place a block on top of that and 1 going forward. See? Then on the side of that, you're going to place 1 regular piston going downwards and 4 right behind it. So you should have a total. Make sure you delete those 2 blocks, because that was just to set up the piston. Then you're going to place 4 more pistons going towards the front. Perfect. So you should have a total of 5 pistons going downwards. Awesome. All right, so we kind of got the major part done, so that's a good thing. So you're going to place a block right there, and you're pretty much going to stream that all around. Now in the center, you can place a stairs right there, and then continue with the solid blocks all around. Then you're going to fill in the gap as well, and there, just like so. Now once you've done that, you're going to place blocks all the way to your parallel with the piston, and then one stair in front of that, and there right underneath. Then you're going to go right behind it and repeat the same exact process. Place some blocks there, just like so. Place a block there and a stairs right in front of it. And in the center, you're going to fill that up with some blocks as well. Perfect. Now at this point, go about one block right there and extend that upwards to your parallel to the top part. Not there. And there as well. Perfect. Now you're going to repeat that on both sides. All right, so you're going to extend that upwards. Do not place any blocks there. And you're going to fill in this gap right here as well. Now at this point, I want you to get your cobblestone. And you're going to place it right over here on this side. You're going to place it right on top of that hopper. So aim at the torch, place it there, and extend that forward. Then we're going to go to the other side. And of course, we're going to repeat the same process. Awesome. Now you also want to get your regular block, and you're going to cover that right up as well. Perfect. Fantastic. Now we're going to get some stairs. You're going to place it right there to create some nice detail and trimming, and also repeat the same thing right on top, okay? And of course, you guys got to repeat that on the other side. Before we do that, make sure you cover this entire section up as well until you're parallel with the pistons, okay? Then you're going to cover that up with some blocks. Then once again, we're going to get your block of choice. We're going to extend this side as well. Perfect. Then you're going to place down your stairs, and your stairs right upside down, one block underneath. Perfect. Then of course you're going to have to cover this up as well. Alright, the hard is getting done. Awesome. So you should have this kind of format at this point. Then on each corner on the top, you're going to place one solid block. Perfect. Now if you guys want to add a little more detail, right in the center between that part, you're going to add a cobblestone fence on each side. Just for the simple fact you wanted to give it a little more detail, and not for nothing, it looks pretty nice with that kind of aspect to it. Now I want you to get your bucket of water and your lava ready, because you're going to place one bucket of water here, just like so. Not on that top part, delete that. But make sure it's all right there, one block underneath. Then you're going to cover that up with a block of your choice and put some redstone dust and dust right there as well, because that's going to activate the whole system. Then right here on the top part, you're going to place your 5 buckets of lava. Perfect. Then we're going to cover the whole top part with some stairs. You're just going to ring that all around. Then you're going to get your half slabs. Don't place nothing there because you don't want to cut off that signal. Place some half slabs there. And of course, you're going to cover the entire top part perfectly. And there you have it, guys. The system is fully done and ready to be used. Alright guys, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you could please leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.